What is up, you guys? I am back with a video that is going to teach you guys how to create a custom Squarespace 404 page. And we're going to be doing this in Squarespace 7.1. So something that you might be wondering is, what is a Squarespace 404 page, or what is a 404 page in general? So this is a page that your visitor is going to land on if they go to a page on your website that either no longer exists or that you changed the link to. So they're going to land on this page and it's basically going to tell them this page no longer exists. Okay, so Squarespace has a default 404 page already within the platform, but we're going to show you how to create a custom one. And I think that creating a custom one is going to allow people to know, hey, you're still in the right spot. This page just no longer exists. Follow me this way. I'm going to take you back to where you need to go. As opposed to landing on that 404 page that is already there, they might not know that your website is still there. It's just that page that isn't there. And we want them to stay on your website longer, right? So let's create this custom 404 page that is going to show them you're still in the right spot. Let me take you back to where you want to go. And it's super, super easy to do. So follow me and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If you're new around here, my name is Amanda and I'm the owner and founder of the Launch Hive Creative, which is a branding and website design studio that work with bold and badass business owners who aren't afraid to break the mold and go against industry standards. So if that is you, you are in the right spot. Make sure that you stick around so that you can get notified anytime that we create other videos just like this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you on the back end of my website how to go ahead and create that custom 404 page. So the first place that you're going to head, just because I want to show you what that default page looks like, is under the Design tab. If you are at your main dashboard, if you go to Design, you will see 404 page. And if you have not already assigned a different page as your 404 page, it's automatically the default 404 page that looks like this. Okay, so again, this is an error message that's going to pop up if the page or a link cannot be located on your website. I want to show you how to go ahead and create a custom one, because this just isn't very appealing, one, and two, if somebody doesn't take the time again to read this, then they just might peace out from your website altogether, and we want them to stay there. So I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and create a 404 page that is custom, that looks a little something like this, branded to your own brand, obviously. Okay, so this is very easy, you guys. Literally super simple. So what you're going to do is go ahead and add a blank page under not linked. So you're going to go ahead and add your blank page and you are going to label this 404. Okay, so now you have your blank template here. You will click edit and add section. So you can choose one of the pre-made sections that are already designed for you, or you can add a blank section, which is what I'm going to do for the time being. And I'm going to change the color here. And then from here, you're basically going to design your own 404 page. So I'm going to add some text. And again, I am on Squarespace 7.1 and I'm currently using the new Fluid engine. So you can make this say whatever you want. You can be super clever. You can be super straight to the point. Hey, this page no longer exists. Back to the home page this way. Mine, I wanted to be kind of clever, kind of on brand for me. And we will say, add some text. Looks like this page no longer exists. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is add a button that I am now going to link to the homepage. If you didn't want this to go to the homepage and you want it to go somewhere else, you can link it wherever that you want, but I'm going to link it home. I'm going to hit save and I'm going to say, take me back home. Okay, this is branded. It's super simple, but it has my colors. It has what I want it to say, and it looks just better in my opinion. That is literally how you create your own 404 page. But now, how do we go ahead and get rid of that default 404 page and assign this 404 page? So once you have your design all set and ready to go, what you're going to do is go back to your dashboard, go to design, 404 page, and you are going to click this and you're going to select, you see you can select literally any page, but you're going to select 404 page. So I already had one in here. I now have another one. I'm going to turn it back to what I had originally. So now this is the 404 page that customers, clients, visitors will see when they come to our website. That is it, you guys. That is how easy it is to create your custom 404 page in Squarespace. If you have any questions, drop them below and I'd be sure to answer them. If you haven't yet hit subscribe, make sure that you do that as well so that you can get notified anytime that we upload videos just like this one. Bye, guys.